One proud boyfriend ang singer na si J.K. Labajo sa pagkapanalo ng girlfriend na si Diamit sa Reina Hispano-Americana 2025. Ginanap ang grand coronation ng Latina-based international beauty pageant sa Santa Cruz, Bolivia, nitong linggo ng gabi, February 9, 2025, Lunes ng umaga, February 10, sa Pilipinas. Si Dia ang ikalawang Filipina na nagwagi sa Reina Hispano-Americana na nagsimula noong 1991. 2025, ang unang Pinay title holder ng Reina Hispano-America ay si Winwin Marquez, na nanalo noong 2017. J.K. Labajo, you've worked so hard to get to where you are now. Sa kanyang Instagram story ngayong araw ay nag-share kaagad si J.K. ng larawan ni Dia. Congratulations baby! Heart emoji, mensahe ng singer para sa girlfriend. Sinundan ito ni J.K. ng madamdaming post sa kanyang account. Ayon kay J.K., pinaghirapan ni Dia para marating ang kinaroroonan nito ngayon. Mensahe niya, "My love, congratulations. You've worked so hard to get to where you are now, and it fills my heart with warmth and joy to witness your growth and see how far you've come." Deserve daw ni Dia ang mga magagandang nangyari sa kanyang buhay dahil hindi nito sinusukuan ang kanyang mga pangarap. Hindi rin daw matutumbasan ang determinasyon nitong makuha ang titulo at korona sa Reina Hispano-Americana pageant. Saad ni J.K., "You deserve all the good things life has to offer because you never gave up. You've faced so many challenges, endured countless sleepless nights, and dedicated endless hours to your training, all with unwavering determination. You've carried our flag with such grace and elegance, and we are all so proud to have you represent our country on the international stage, inspiring the younger generation and being the voice for all the causes you stand up for. This is just the beginning." Mensahe pa ni J.K. sa kanyang "Baby girl, to my sweet, kind, loving, and beautiful soul, inside and out, my baby girl, my baba, my queen, I love you more than words can express. Te amo mucho, mi amor." Bukod kay Dia, wagi rin sa Reina Hispano-Americana 2025 si Sofia Fernandez ng Venezuela, na itinanghal na Virreina Hispano-Americana. First runner-up ang kandidata ng Colombia na si Sharon Gamarra, at second runner-up si Carolina Perez ng Spain. Reina Hispano-Americana 2025 winners, LR, Sharon Gamarra, Spain, first runner-up, Sofia Fernandez, Venezuela, Virreina Hispano-Americana 2025, Diamit, Philippines, Reina Hispano-Americana 2025, and Carolina Perez, Spain, second runner-up.